Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can pay in different currency in Revolut app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So to do that, it's actually quite easy because it is one of the service of Revolut itself. So to pay in different currency with Revolut, simply you have to use your Revolut card at a merchant in a foreign country. Revolut will automatically convert the transaction amount to your chosen currency based on their exchange rates automatically. So you don't need to preload specific currencies unless you want to, and you can pay directly in the local currency when prompted at checkout. So you can always choose to pay in local currency to avoid potential fees from the merchant, but if you wanna do the automatic conversion is also available, so you can directly use a Revolut card and it is good to go. Now to have that service available when you're traveling, you need to have these key points in your consideration. First thing is automatic conversion. When you use your Revolut card abroad, the transaction will be automatically converted to your base currency at the Revolut exchange rate, so you have to make sure that is enabled in your account in your card. Next is currency accounts. You make sure you have the currency accounts so it can be easier. Check the exchanges thoroughly so you can know whether the having merchant will be easier or less money, or the exchange rate will be easier. Now you can, once you have opened your Revolut app, you can simply go to the exchange tab, select the currency you want to buy and enter the amount you want to exchange and confirm the exchange, and that is how also you can manually exchange the currency in your app and use it as well, or you can use your card. That is basically it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.